When your Hisense portable air conditioner isn't cooling properly, systematic diagnosis is key. We'll walk through 5 essential checks to identify the problem. Step 1. Verify the exhaust hose connection. The hose must be properly attached and vented outside to expel hot air. A loose or blocked hose will cause the unit to recirculate hot air, preventing effective cooling. Step 2. Inspect the air filter. A dirty or clogged filter restricts airflow, forcing the unit to work harder while delivering less cooling. Clean or replace the filter if it appears dirty or blocked. Step 3. Examine the room environment. Direct sunlight, running appliances, and poor ceiling can overwhelm your AC unit. Close curtains, minimize heat-generating devices, and ensure windows and doors are properly sealed. Step 4. Verify temperature and fan settings. Ensure the thermostat is set low enough for your desired cooling level. Check that the fan speed is appropriate. Higher speeds provide faster cooling, but may be noisier. Step 5. Check the water tank and drainage system. Many portable AC units will stop cooling if the water tank is full or drainage is blocked. Empty the tank if needed and ensure drainage lines are clear. These 5 diagnostic steps address the most common cooling issues. If your Hisense portable AC still isn't cooling properly after these checks, the problem may require more advanced troubleshooting techniques. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve cooling issues, we need to examine the compressor and refrigeration system. The compressor is the heart of your air conditioner's cooling system. Turn on your unit and listen carefully. A functioning compressor will make a distinct humming or buzzing sound when it starts. If you hear nothing, this indicates an electrical problem or a failed compressor that requires professional repair. If the compressor is running but cooling is still inadequate, the issue may be with the refrigerant system. Low refrigerant levels prevent proper heat transfer and require professional servicing. Before calling for professional help, try resetting your unit. This simple procedure can resolve minor electronic glitches that may be affecting performance. If your unit displays error codes, these provide specific diagnostic information. Consult your Hisense manual or the manufacturer's website for code-specific troubleshooting steps. When troubleshooting steps don't resolve the issue, it's time to contact professionals. This protects your warranty and ensures safe, proper repairs. Remember, attempting complex repairs yourself can void your warranty and potentially cause further damage. Always check if your unit is still under warranty before proceeding with any major repairs.